If you are a plant which cannot move, how can one disperse one's seeds, one's offspring, so that they don't grow in the same area that you are, and thus take your sunlight and your water and your soil nutrients? Some plants make use of animals, which obviously can move, to help transport their offspring away, while some use fruits, which entice the animals to eat the fruit and transport the seeds, and thus the animals benefit. There are also ways in which the animal can transport it without any benefit to the animal themselves, such as burrs and other fruit pods which adhere to fur and feathers, so that an animal will unwittingly have the fruit attached to it and then disperse it when it falls off later farther from the parent plant. So in the images you see here, the plant swamp agrimony, also known as harvest lice, produces seeds inside of dried fruits whose fibers adhere to animals which pass these plants, which can grow quite tall and fill an area as a common weed. And so animals with fur, feathers, or people with their clothing can have this plant adhere to them, and it can even be painful if these fruits were pressed upon one's skin. There are other plants which employ the strategy so that their fruits adhere to fur and feathers. This would include plants known as tick trefoils, whose triangular seed pods can adhere to clothing, plants in the avens group, such as white avens, and even the invasive plant water chestnut with its spiked fruits can adhere to feathers of, say, Canada geese, which could help disperse the seeds to a new body of water.